Namaskaram. I think Guruji will be joining. Jai Gurudeva sir, Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaste sir, how are you? Yes sir. Jai Gurudeva sir. What a nice day sir to really be with you sir.
Yeah, it is really a great chance that we are able to connect and then speak about a very important God, Rudra, who is all in all.
Yes sir.
Sarvo hi eshaha Rudraha is a statement made by the Guru, by the Rishis, and the Rishis are always the enlightened persons who are able to visualize and realize. And not only that, whatever they have seen, felt, understood, they share to all people for posterior generations.
Yes, sir. That is something.
So thereby, we cannot remain ignorant.
Yes, sir.
We cannot ignore. And we are given the elevation in our life. Generally, our mind will drop down. Our mind thinks that the whole heaven has fallen upon us. But when we turn to Guru's face and Guru's knowledge,
Sir.
There is a lot of work. There is a lot of timetable for us. We cannot afford to while away time. So that kind of feeling we do get. And Rudram, whenever we talk about Rudram, we are trying to recognize the power in the Rudra, the connection with the Rudra of the nature. Then we are trying to enumerate one after the other some of the important features in him so that we understand how that Rudra plays a vital role in the creation, and also he is able to give us the force of vision to everybody. And moreover, now we have been traveling to explore number of qualities in Rudra one by one.
Yes, sir.
And we are almost coming to the 10th and 11th Anvakas, where there is going to be the conclusion of praise. How long we praise Rudra? Maybe Ananta Viryaya, Aparyaptaya. So this is the complement, Aparyapta and Ananta Virya, Ananta Saurya, Ananta Vaibhava, and ultimately Rudra is Bhagavan. So when he is a Bhagavan, Bhaga is rich, and we can't take account of the richness, because as Kalidasa tells, Ekaiswarye sthitopi pranata bahuphalepi yasvayam kruttivasaha. And Rudra is Kanta Sammisra Dehopi Abhishaya Manasam Yapparastat Yatinam. So these are the two important qualities in Rudra, that he is basically Kanta Sammisra Dehopi, although he is with Parvati, Kanta, whom he loved very much, Parvati, Shakti, but he is above all the yatis, known for Indriya Nigraha, known for so many powerful features. Therefore, Yatinam Yatihi, if you say yes, somebody Yati, then he is Guru for them. So Yatinam Yati is Guru for all Yatis. So Yati means Vedanta Vijnana Sunischitarthaha Yatayaha. And they are all very good in the Vedantic knowledge, in the Vedanta Shastra, which teaches about the body, mind, Indriyas, and Buddhi, and Parabuddhi. Well, these are all the subject matters, and ultimately the Tyaga Buddhi, the Vairagya. All these things are tending towards the realization of the reality and Paramatma, who is ready to grace us the more we are blessed with the knowledge. Therefore, it's really interesting that Yatis are Vedantins, and for them he is above them, and they have the Vedanta Gnana. Vedanta Gnana is ultimately, when you read Vedas, when you contact and try to go with the Vedic knowledge, ultimate what is that? So the ultimate is they will be going to the Paramapada, where there is permanence and where there is absolute bliss, Ananda, and where from you have no chance to come back. Because to coming back is a matter of great work. Again, birth is a work, and growth is a work, and even death also is a work. Therefore, why do we want work? We should be completely absorbed and identified with the Parabrahma Swarupa, whereat we are absolutely in happiness, and no Vishada will strike us. Because Vishada is something which will make us really worried, and we are allowed to go for solutions. And so all this is big homework for us. So we don't want that kind of homework. And so we say that, so Mrityunjayaya. So we say he's a Mrityunjaya. Mrityu is common to all people, but he will give us the mind inclination and pathway that we are able to overcome the hurdles that may be small or big, chota or mota, and see that we go in our pathway uninterrupted, happily with all green signals. So when green signal is there, you are not worried about your time pressure. If red falls, then you look at the watch and you're restless. Oh, how long it takes. Even though there is green, to get the traffic clear takes more time. Sometimes you have to wait another green, another green. So 3 greens only should come to you to send you out. No, this is what is there hard. But without all that, if that kind of permission is there for us, then we are really lucky. And that's exactly what we say, Triyambakam Yajamahe and all that. So, and moreover, Guru, Shivaya Gurave Namaha. Because Gurave Namaha, Shiva is the ultimate first starting Guru. And again, Parvati is the starting student. So Shiva and Parvati are so close together that they are not only protect as parents to the entire world, but they are also spreading the knowledge. See, merely giving birth for children is no greatness, it's a biological. But really make the children intelligent, learned, wisdom-filled, and make them real citizens. Because as Wordsworth tells, today's child is tomorrow's father. That's automatic. But today's child must not only be a father, but something more. So that is the project with which everybody has been deputed into the world through the mother's grace. Therefore, and moreover, in order to do that kind of job, there is also support. The same mother's womb, another will sleep. So we share, brothers and sisters, sodaras and sodaris, what our elder brother or elder sister slept in the womb of the mother, the same mattress we use and we come down, same blood we use. But therefore, it is all Paramatma Kripa that we are also given companions who are supposed to be. So Guru is Shiva, Shivaya Gurave Namaha. Then also, that you see, in other words, we say that it is called Acharya and Antevasi. In Taittiriya Upanishad, say Acharya Anushasanam. Having completed teaching, making the student a graduate. Because from Vedadhyana Kendra, we have a number of graduates. Again and again, they are not able to connect. But they are all practicing and connected to the whatever little or more they learned from our Kendra for the past 26 years. No, we don't know how many people, I can't imagine. But all of them are little connected and they learned about the wisdom given to us by Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda, Atharveda, and all that. So everywhere there is that Rudra force. There is that Rudra force, meaning that trying to remove our ignorance, get into the light, get into knowledge, And that is what we are going to have in this. So Shiva Guru Yatinam Yati and Ekaiswarya. Aiswarya does not mean only paper notes or paper money or anything like that. So Aiswarya is basically Arogya. Aiswarya basically bent of mind to use our time appropriately, usefully, fruitfully. Because time and water are the two things which we waste profusely. We don't bother. We may constrain to control use of water, but time we are not bothered. We just waste time like anything. Because you are, but moreover, nobody can return the time if he borrows from you. That is the only one disadvantage with the time. Supposing somebody borrows your time, he cannot give that time back to you. But water could be there, but time is something. That's why Kala is a Nadi, Kala is a Purusha, and Kala is so Jyoti, etc. All that is there. And that Kala is Agnirupa. Kala Agni Rudraya. So Kala Agni Rupaya. So that Kala is Agni, activity, energy, force. Even if you want to keep quiet, you cannot keep quiet because there is a flow of energy and work and activity in our. That's why you see, Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, Nakopi Tishtati Akarma Krutu. You see, Tishtati is time. Akarma is the attachment. So karma is attachment. Without having that attachment, nobody can stand still. So he has to be doing, at least, if not you do use your hands, at least the nose is being used. The apparatus, pranam. Prananam grandhirasi rudro ma vishantakaha. Rudra is the grandhi, the gland. Glands always constantly keep working. If not their work, we cannot digest our food. So all glands appropriately wait to mix with the food you take. That's why people advise us to keep timing in our habits. So time is important. Kalagni Rupaya. So the Kalagni is Rudra only, and Agni is important for that. So in this particular, this way, and moreover, Vyasa Bhagavan is Vishnu, Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya, Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave, Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye Vasisthaya Namo Namaha. You see, the word Vasishtha is, of course, related to Vasishtha means bright, brilliant, extraordinarily intelligent. And he is called Vasishtha. The Vasishtha is a sabda which will say he is a better fellow. He is a very intelligent, excellent, and top-ranking fellow. See, Vasishtha means top-ranking student or top-ranking individual or colleague. And all those who go to the top, they have real rewards and awards and honor and all that. So our journey in our life up to the last breath of life is to keep on learning. We may stop many other things. We may retire, but we cannot retire for learning. There should be the congress, intellectual congress or communications, so that's why it is said by gurus that you should be ready to learn even on the deathbed, because that much will be a saving for the next birth if at all it occurs. So that's why we have when our Janma Kundali is written, they say Janana Kale Dasasesham, and that Dasasesha will have a promotion to the parents. That's why Janani Janma Saukhyanam Vardhini Kula Sampadam. So these are the two advantages for the birth, that mother and father and the birth both are to be Saukhya. And then because of you are comfortable working and promoting and contributing, it will be Kula Saukhya, the Kula Sampada will enhance. So and so is born. And because of the entire Tagore, for example, the Tagore Vamsham is being enhanced because of He's getting the Nobel Prize in Literature before nobody, after nobody in literature Nobel Prize. But he happens to be the 14th child of his father. So imagine, we have to wait till the 14th child is born to the parents, Rabindranath Tagore. So like that, this is called Vasishtha. And so on this particular auspicious Guru Purnima day, we want the showering of blessings of Gurus, beginning from Sadashiva Samarambham, Shankaracharya or Madhvacharya or Ramanujacharya, whatever, Madhyamam, Asmad Acharya Paryantam, Namami Guru Paramparam. Guru Parampara is, and another important thing we have to know is oral tradition. The printing and then writing material and record, all that is a very later aspect. But what is that? Our brain itself, our memory itself was the white paper on which all people used to write. So the teacher, whatever he taught, Acharya is called, it is being registered in the head. So our brain MB, we can't know, is illimitable. Right. Only our computer, a part of brain brought outside because of our intelligence, has always the count, so much MB capacity. But brain capacity, nobody can determine. You can be anything. So that kind of brain, memory power, retention power, and reproduction power was too much in our place. That's why it's called Acharya, and Parampara has come. And no writing at all. People used to demand the memory, command the memory, and then recite all that. That's why all people, and moreover, the entire Rishika Parampara or mantras are tenable for by-hearting. It is not difficult. We can by-heart easily compared to any other things. Whether it is in prose or in poetry, you can by-heart that, keep in our memory, and go on. So that's why all Veda mantras, whether it is Upanishad mantra or prose, or Aranyaka prose, or Rigveda poetry, or Yajurveda non-metrical. So all that is possible to keep in our memory. And so Acharya Anteva Asana Manushasti is one more point I will say. And moreover, all Acharyas or Rishis are not at all egoistic people or jealous-ridden people. They have such a free mind. They will ask the students to go to other teacher also, and then learn more, and you be rich. Eke chasmat sreya gumso brahmana tesham tvayasanena prasvasitavyam is a dictation, is the injunction given by that. Those are, there are, I don't say, the Acharya says, I don't say I am perfect in all knowledge and I am complete in knowledge. I am not Sampurna Vidyavan. There are so many other people who know more things, who can interpret better. So you are permitted to go to other teachers or other learned scholars. Asmat Sreya Agumso Brahmana. So Brahmanas are always Sreyamsaha. They always wish for the betterment of others. That's why it's called as a Purohita. Purasya hitam karoti iti Purohita. His main duty is to make hitam good for all the entire town and people and the nation. Therefore, Brahmana tesham tvaya asane prasna vitavyam. So we should always give them preference and all that. So with this appreciation to Vyasa Bhagavan, wishing him happy birthday, because it is believed that he is born on this Purnima day, Ashada Suddha Purnima, whereafter all festivals will begin, Jubilee, and all people get delighted, get more food, more items, even the cooking also will be, and more gods are coming to our house. And when gods come, naturally, our kitchen will be very active with more and more menu items. And therefore, on this particular day, that particular great rishis have been born, we wish Gurus to all that. Now we go to the 10th verse, 10th Anuvaka of the Rudram, where we have been making prayer. Ultimately, see, when you have done up to 9th Anuvaka, innumerable namaskaras, Namaha, Namo Namaha, Namo Namaha, each and every aspect of Rudra has been picked up, and honor and regard has been shown, and we requested that I owe down to that feature of your personality. If you are angry, namaskaram. If you are benevolent, namaskaram. If you are in the water, namaskaram. If you are in a if you are a cobbler and lord of and breeder of cobblers, namaskaram. If you have a chariot or car, namaskaram. If you don't have a car, but you are only a passenger, namaskaram. Rathibhyo, arathibhyo, like that, we have been seeing Sarvo Hiyesha Rudra is being explained to us that he is there in all menial and great things, in the forest, in the fire, in the mountains, in the waters, in the all forms of water, in the clouds, everywhere he is there. Therefore, and moreover, that's the whole thing is that Drape Andhasaspate Daridram Nilalohita. Now I am just reading the first one. Then I'm just to revise where we are, that he is a Daridran. That is the most best compliment, that he remains always poor, although he is very rich. Because that's why I live a simple life, wear normal dress. And whatever luxurious dress you wear, you are not comfortable. That's why, for example, in our Navagras, Shukra goes to the silken garments and Brihaspati goes for the cotton garments. That's why Bhrum Brihaspataye Namaha Vastram De. So he gives you the cotton and ordinary normal dress. Unless you are normal, you cannot concentrate on our studies. Brihaspati is that. But if your Shukra is a pleasure providing Paramatma, he is a Graha, he will give you all comfort. That's why all pictures are released only on Friday, Shukravaram. Nobody does. Only on Guruvaram you start your studies. On Shukravaram you try to release all commercial things. So commercial products are released on Friday and all educative academic programs are done on Thursday. So that way Guru and Shukra, they also shared. One is Rakshasa Guru and another is a Deva Guru. So we want to become Devas, not the Rakshasas. Anyway, so here he is remaining Daridran. That means he's always, he does not keep anything to him. That's what, when you Sivalingam, you may pour ghee or honey or masuru or anything, nothing remains on his gundu. So what people do, one full bucket of halu and another full bucket of water, one full bucket of curds, and this is what I saw in the Pashupatinath temple in Kathmandu. There people used to pour buckets full of that over that Abhishekam time. We had the fortune, and moreover at that Abhishekam time, at four corners of the Garbhagudi, 11 Brahmins will be sitting and reciting Rudram. So 44 times. And as they are reciting the Rudram, at center there is one Mahanyasam, and there are Purohits, one or two, who would be doing Abhisheka for Pashupatinath. That was a wonderful sight we have had. And anyway, here Daridran and Neela and Lohita is mixed with that. And now, Yesham Purushanam, Yesham Pasunam, Mare. So, Yesham Shabdam is attribution, article, di. So, you have also selected, selected cattle. In other sense, what is selected? You want them to be. That means everything born in the world is selected only for us. And therefore, you refer Esham, Pasunam, and Mabhehe. We know that Rudra is a Ghora. He is a Ghora Tara. But we don't want Ghora and Ghora Tara Rupams, especially when we want their grace to be falling on us. Therefore, Bhiti Beda. Namge Bhaya Beda. Namge Bhayamuddu. Maken Kavalente, Karuna Kavali. Because you are two in one. You have both. That is, Bhiti is there and Karuna is there. But Bhiti for the harmers and Karuna for the farmers. So, haram chese vallaki bhayam kavali and farming chese vallaki Karuna kavali. That's what exactly we want. And Esham kinch anamamato. And make them also famous. Anama. Nama is fame. Kirti. Anama is apakirti. I think so. So you should make all people really grow in prosperity. That's why pushtim. That's why we say yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam. You know, Rudra is a pushtivardhanaha. Pushtivardhanaha to all devotees. He is the promoter and supplier of necessary power of strength and prosperity. Therefore, anamamato. And again, we remind Rudra what is the kind of body or sariram that we have tried to invoke. Though Rudra is Bhikara Swarupa, Bhayankara Rupa, we don't want that Bhayankara Rupam. We want gracious. You know, for example, when Ravana went to Kailas for Atmalinga to bring, because of his mother's request, when he went to Kailas, he found Parvati there. Very, very beautiful, sitting with Shiva. And unfortunately, this Ravanasura forgot the purpose, mission for which he went to Kailas. That's what exactly people get Indriya Akarshana. See, Indriya, you don't want to do anything for the Indriya. That's what Krishna tells in third and fourth. You don't need anything. If you open the eye starts functioning. You don't want to do anything to make your eye look. Ears, nose, all that. When the moment you open the eye, when you under the Indriyas are constantly on, no off. So that's why you have got to be very careful about the on. On lo unte bhayam. That's why you always try to unplug.
Yes.
So even if your TV is plugged, if there is some problem, the TV set gets spoiled. Hey, I not put it on. What happened? No, it's just connected. That's why here we have got that kind of thing. Mabhehe. And what is the form? Shiva tanuhu. Ya te tanuhu. And not only Shiva tanuhu. The tanu is the sariram. Tanu is the form. So tanu is the body. So the entire body of Lord Shiva, imagine, is only to give us happiness. It is something like the body of a woman. See, the entire body of a woman is very attractive. And therefore the man becomes mad. And that's why the Srungara Rasa comes up. So that's why, but here the Shiva Tanu is Shiva and Bheshaji. Not only it is that, it is a medicinal one. It is a healing one. It is having the solution to keep you calm, quiet, tranquil, equipoised. See, if there is no physical disturbance, mental disturbance, calmness prevails in us. And when calmness is there, Shanta Manasu. Shanta Manasula, Tyagaraja says, Shanta Manasula in the Endaro Mahanubhavulu, he ultimately says that all Shanta Manasulai Hariguna Ganamulanni Chusha. They went on counting the Harigunas with Shanta Chitti. That's why we always see the gods to be Shanta. When you talk about Shiva, Shantam Padmasanastham Shashidharamakutam Panchavatram Trinetram, thus you make prayer. And when you turn to Vishnu, Shantakaram Bhujagasayanam Padmanabham. So Akara is Shantam. Vishnu Akara is filled with complete peace. Looking at Vishnu, you don't get irritated. You don't get annoyed. So looking at the Shanta Purushas, we also become Shanta. So because Apaha vai Shantaha, always like water. Though they flow, water though there flows, but water will be Shanti. So like that, we should also be like that. So here, Bheshaji and Vishwa Bheshaji Aha, that is declared to be universally doing good for one and all. Everybody has got the opportunity to become quite cool, calm, looking at the personality or having the vision. So for example, you see in the 11th chapter, Krishna showed his Vishwarupam. Even in the Vishwarupam, there was a Bhikara Rupam also shown, Rudra Rupam also shown by Krishna. But Arjuna was terrified, basically looking at the Rudra Rupam, and he only opened. But afterwards, ultimately, Krishna withdrew that Rudra Rupam, became Shanta Rupam and showed all that. Therefore, you observe the comment by Arjuna in the 11th chapter, both for Rudra and Shanta, but what remained in his head is only Shanta Rupa of Krishna. So all that Maya has been removed by Krishna. That's what we say, Vishwaha Bheshaji. And Aha is a proclamation, I think so. So it is always proclaimed. Proclamation is something, or announcement is something which we love. Loud announcements are very good. So what is the announcement here regarding Rudra? That he is completely, totally calm, quiet, and peaceful. Not only simply peaceful, he is active enough to make us remove of our worries and health problems and other problems. And therefore, and also Shiva Rudrasya Bheshaji, and also Rudrasya Bheshaji Shiva. Not only the personality of Rudra is quite pleasant, but also the treatment he gives us also is pleasant. You love the doctor not because of his wonderful suit and uniform and attraction and applying scent and all that. We love the doctor for the kind of treatment and healing and making us all right. That's why both are necessary. A good doctor is he who keeps his mood pleasant. Any patient he looks at all times. At the same time, whatever prescription he makes works, tallies with the patient, and he becomes all right. So look at the both things that have been pointed out to us in Rudra. It's a wisdom. So you not because Keyurani Nabhushayanti Purusham. That's what Bhartrahari said. So Harana Chandrodjvala, etc. Vanyeka Samalankaroti Purusham Ya Samskruta Dharyate. So Bhartrahari says that Samskruta Vani Ya Dharyate. Only that Samskruta Vani, the prescription that the doctor gives, suiting to our problem, is really important. And that is really giving us peace of mind. And keeping on changing the antibiotics is a big problem. In fact, I know a patient to whom the doctor went 4 times, 5 times, he changed the antibiotics. Ultimately, his liver was problematic. His liver failed. And he had different problems. So that is not a good doctor. So the first antibiotic prescribed must be must be working positive to him. So we understand Rudrasya Bheshati Shiva. So now, both in form and in deed, Shiva, what he should do? Mruda Jiva se. For our journey of life, whatever it be, he has to be quite affectionate, quite promoting. Mruda is Karuna. So Sivudu Karunato chustu unte, Drushti Cheta, we will be really happy. That's why the first Pancharatna Kirtana which Tyagaraja began was Jagadananda Karaka. See, who is God, who is really great God, who has no partiality or discrimination. Basically, he has to supply Ananda to the Jagat. What is Jagat? All people who have Janma and Maranam. Ja is to Janma, Ga is Maranam, Gachati. Nobody can continue to live upon the earth. It's only borrowed one. Where we rented our body from the God. So we can't stay a long time in rented house. We have to go to our permanent house. That is Brahmaloka. So whether you, whatever way, whenever you live in a house, you have to go to your permanent house. Is it not? Mane katbitri, yakri yavaglu badige mane littiri. So badige mane andre temporary. And permanent agi now sonta mane andre. ಆ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಲೋಕ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಲೋಕ. ಸೊ ಶಿವ ವಿಶ್ವಾಹ ಭೇಷ ಅಂಡ್ ರುದ್ರಸ್ಯ ಭೇಷತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಯಾನೋ ಮೃಡ ಜೀವಸೆ. ಸಿ ಜೀವನ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅವರ ಉಚ್ಛ್ವಾಸ ನಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ರಾಮಾಯಣಂ, ಸಿ ಮರಣಂ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಜಂತೂನಾಂ ವಿಕೃತಿ ಜೀವನ ಮುಚ್ಯತೆ నను స్వసంజీవతి జంతువు లభమానసవు. ఎంత మంచి వాక్యం చెప్పాడంటే ఉపదేశం ఫర్ ఆల్ పీపుల్. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ బ్రెతింగ్ ప్రాపర్లీ, దట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇస్ అ గ్రేట్ గెయిన్. ఆల్ గెయిన్స్ కమ్ అండ్ గో, బట్ యువర్ బ్రెత్ షుడ్ నాట్ గో. You should have always love and dub, not only love or dub. So that love dub sound should constantly keep on going in our body, in all aspects. Then you are able to do something, achieve something. So nanu swasan jivati jantuhu. Jantu does not, jantu means all that is born, not necessarily humans, even animals, birds, all creatures, 86 lakh species are meant who have got that breathing purpose. So jivase. And another one is that even in the cloud, for example, when there is a lightning, that is a jiva. So when lightning comes, you are afraid. And white clouds don't give you lightning, you know that. Only pregnant, water giving dark clouds, they only have got the electricity in them. So if we are to harness that lightning power, oh, there is no depth for current at all, power at all. We cannot do it. So this is so short-lived, but very powerful. In fact, there are so many lightning studies done. Some people go to lightning areas more, and they make their car also lightning proof. So lightning does not destroy their car. I have seen one documentary where some research people went to lightning area, stay in car and make all observations and study of the lightning. They cannot get out and get burnt. So like that light is that Vidyullata. In Sivananda Lahari, Shankaracharya tells that Lord Shiva is a dark cloud, Parvati is the lightning. So when lightning and dark cloud are together, Parvati, Parameswara, rain is certain. That's why the rain giving cloud is Ishvara or Shiva. So Tayano Mrajivase. And again, Imagum Rudraya Tavaseka Partine Chayadviraya Prabharamahe Matim. So looking at that great Vaibhava of Rudra, what is your duty? That's all. We are also responsible to keep the moods and strength of the helping people really promoted. Say, if you promote wealthy people, then they will be really promoting us. It's after all mutual. So here, Matim Prabharamahe. What are you doing? Mati is the prarthana. Mati is the mantra. So mantra, Mati, Ukta, there are so many alternative words for all that. So mantra is Mananat Mantraha. Manayantam Trayata iti Mantraha. See, Manayantam, that is just those people who honor them, the mantra protects, because mantra is a vibrant energy. Every akshara in the mantra is a potential kinetic energy. It's a kinetic energy. So it will be, you cannot expect a dumbness in the utterance of the mantras. The moment you start, Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya, you see how much energy is expended by you. The moment you compliment with Namaskara to Bhagavan Rudra. Like that, here also, Bheshaji, Prabharamahe Matim. Who is this Rudra? Again and again, we are counting new and new feature. And that feature he has to really honor and work it out. See, if you say you are a rich man, you should be able to share your riches to us when need is put forth before you. If you are a doctor, you should use your doctor knowledge. Like that, whatever faculty we have got, that we have got to utilize and see that people are benefited. In that manner, he says that you are Chayadvira. Chayadvira means you will always destroy the heroes in the opposite side, enemies. So Veera, Chayadvira, you know, that means when enemies are destroyed, the heroes among the enemy company are destroyed, then you get peace and prosperity. So Chayadviraha. And moreover, he is having Kaparda. Kaparda is thick, rich, matted hair to be able to withstand any kind of shock. Because he is a Kapardin, we know that Ganga Avataranam. So when Bhagirath asked Ganga Devi to come down from the heavens, because Ganga is a celestial river, then Ganga said, no doubt, sir, I come down to the earth because of your tapas phalam, but I have got a problem. When I jump down from that height, then the entire earth will become lowered and so many problems crop up. So I want some medium shock absorber so that from there I can do it. Who is the best fellow? Only Rudra, because he is the only one fellow who has got rich hair, that too matted hair, so that nobody can escape. And once when they are called, all wills are there only. Therefore, because why it is matted hair? Shiva has no mother, no nursing for him. So when mother is there, or sister is there, looking at the brothers or mother boys' hair disheveled or hopeless, combing takes place, nursing, all that. But for Lord Shiva, no mother. Therefore, whatever hair he had, that hair only continues to be there. So he is called Kapardin. And that Kapardin, again born as Shankara, Guru, Shankaracharya, with Vyupta Kesha, sannyasi. Because hair is a point of attraction, sexual attraction it is. If many women marry men looking at the hair and not at the bald hair. So the moment if he has got some bald, immediately they reject. No, I don't want bald hair. So they want hair. Hair also is one of the points of attraction. So looking at the hair of a woman or a man, people get together like that. But in case of Shiva, and when he wants to teach wisdom, knowledge, and see that people are better, he must become a Yupta Kesha, a Parivrajaka. Now all sannyasis are observing Chaturmasyam. They are stable now. They cannot move another place. So this Chaturmasya Vrata for all Parivrajakas is taking place. Therefore, here Kapardine and Rudraya Tavase Kapardine. So for Tavasa Kapardin, we are Kapardi, and him we are announcing or we are praising Rudra. We are publicizing his prosperity. See, not only Prabharamahe means publish. When once it is published, it becomes no more secret. So as you are writing, it is our personal, private. But when you put a printing press and make more copies, then it becomes a publication and it is available for all people. That's exactly what Max Muller did for the first time, putting our Rigveda into a printing press and brought out 200 copies in Germany, not in India. Later on, we have got hundreds of copies. So anyway, Prabharamahe Matim. Why? Why do you do it? Yathanaha Shamasat Dvipade Chatushpade Vishwam Pushtam Grame Asmin Anaturam. So when we make him a public man, a public person, a public god, for example, a lawyer is a public person. He can take bad cases, good cases, medium cases, argue in the court. So you cannot, so it is all depending upon, that's why a lawyer is called as a public person. And like that, the gods are also publicized, because whoever wants whatever merit or benefit, they can approach that particular god. And one more point, we know that there is only one god, Ekam Sat Vipraha Bahudha Vadanti, Indram Mitram Varunam Vatariswanam Ahu. Rigveda Rishi at one time, having described so many gods and all that, gives you the conclusion that there is only one Sat, one existence. But that existence one takes different administrative forms for convenience, because the universe, administration of the universe is not simple. He has to become many. Therefore, ekam satu vipraha bahudha vadanti. So one sat is taken. And in Taittiriya Upanishad also, you get a beautiful explanation for that. He says, Tanyanya devataha. So that sat is anya devataha. That sat is manifesting in different names and functions and powers. So you have to approach to something like traffic, something like the RTO or collector's office or corporation office, like that. But all these offices work under the governance of the governor of the state. And all other officers work under the stamp and work to favor the president of the country. And ultimately, all presidents work for the good on behalf of the Ishvara. That's why all our houses are Ishvara's houses, as Baba told. ఇది ఈశ్వరుని ఇల్లు. మన బోర్డు వేసుకుంటాం, మన పేరు వేసుకుంటాం, కానీ ఆ ఇల్లు మంది కాదు, అది ఈశ్వరుని ఇల్లు. But for temporarily, we borrow that from Ishvara. We make all facilities in that. We live as long as we should, and then we simply live. But ultimately, Ishvara is the author, owner of all things in the world. So here also you have got that yatha naha shama sat. You should be always giving us shanti. Us means the rishis, the singers, the bards, the worshippers, the sacrificers, the devotees, etc. All these are called naha. And not only we human beings, but also dvipade, all sorts of bipeds, two-legged animals, and also chatushpade, four-legged animal. Four is plural. So those people, those species which have got more than two legs, they are also included in our prayer. So our prayer is that we cannot say only this limited people. No, more people are there. That's why Chatushpade. And not only Chatushpade, Vishwam, because there are several horizons. There are several regions and several Swarga, Martya, Patala, Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Pata, and so on, Saptalokaha. And 14 Bhuvanas are there. So we have got so much area, vast area to be administered, to be monitored, to be supplied. Therefore, it's all called Vishwam. Therefore, in Vishnu Sahasranamam, he has been given the compliment. What is the first name that Vishnu takes? The first name that Bhishma told us is Vishwam Vishnuhu. And the entire Vishwam, there is no nook and corner in the universe where it left free, not influenced by Vishnu or Paramatma. Therefore, the word Vishwam is enveloping and pervading the everything, something like Vishwabhanu. Surya Bhagavan, he doesn't leave any corner dark. The moment his rays come up, every nook and corner of the universe is just made bright. No darkness. That's why we say that where is Paramatma? If you want to know the location address, the address of Paramatma is Tamasa Parastat. So he is a Rochish, he is a Kantivan. That Sat is a Kanti Bhuta, and at the same time, he is beyond darkness, beyond ignorance, beyond all asuric knowledge. Therefore, he is called Vishwam. And Grame Pushtam Anaturam. So the Grama is the place where all people live. All people will have the settlement. Grama is collectivity. Number of families make one village. So in village, not one family is there or one house is there. There are number of families making life in the village because there are agricultural. Because Grama is told, now Pattana is different. See, Pattana's idea doesn't come in our Vedas very much. Pattaneshu. No, we don't get the word Pattaneshu. We always get the Grama. Grama Devata. And Grama Devata, every Grama has been ruled by a deity, by Shakti Swarupini, Amba. And for all the Grama Devatas available, who is the chairman? Durga Parameswari. So in Durga Sahasranamam, you come to know that she is the monitor, administrator, governor, president of all Grama Devatas. So if you make Durga Puja, then all Devatas will be in your favor, because anybody who loves Bas is loved by all people. If you hate Bas, you will be dismissed. That's exactly what happened to Yagnavalkya Maharshi. So Yagnavalkya was also a Shishya of Vaisampayana, to whom Yajurveda knowledge has been imparted by Brahmadeva. And when Vaisampayana had so many students, Yagnavalkya started criticizing his guru, not before him, but behind him. So the Sishyas who loved their guru could not tolerate, therefore they conveyed, look, your Sishya, Yagnavalkya, hopeless fellow, he is criticizing you, he doesn't love you. He says, then Guru became angry and said, no, he doesn't deserve. So he was simply dismissed. He called them that you are dismissed, you cannot stay, I give you certificate out. And then, but while going, because they're all very great rishis and yogins, he said, whatever learning you made, you just vomit out. And so Yagnavalkya is also equally potential and yogic and angry. Oh, my guru has chided me. I can't tolerate to stay with such a guru. So there are many students like that. Hey, or baitar nanu avatra hogodilla anತಾರೆ. ಅವರಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈತಾರೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಈ ಬಯೋಗ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಟ್ಟೆ ಗುರುಗಳು చూస్తే ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ లైక్ చేయరు. శాంతంగా మాట్లాడుతుంటే అందరూ లైక్ చేస్తారు. That's why, so we want the teachers to develop, most important is love and equipoised mind. And if at all you are telling anything to the student who is very much rebelling, you should tell it in a beautiful manner that he will not get hurt, at the same time become helpful to you. That's exactly what Valmiki Maharshi has taught us. When Lakshmana was going to Sugriva, when Sugriva did not take up the work of Rama, even after the rainy season, Lakshmana became highly emotional and went on so much angry that he said, I'm going to kill Sugriva. In Sundarakanda, you come, in Aranyakanda, you get it. In Kishkindakanda, you get the reference. You can go to that. So Lakshmana became so irritated. He wanted to go and kill Sugriva, and showed all that anger and showed how he will behave before Sugriva. Then Rama called him, no. He is very good. He got so many comforts after a long time. He's enjoying, but don't be so harsh. Don't kill him, but you tell him as my message. Now, the verse is very important. Nacha sankuchita panthaha yena vali hatogataha samaye tishta sugriva ma vali pathamanvagaha. Is Ramayana, Sundarakanda, Valmiki. He says, Rama, beautifully, the sugar-coated pills. Pill is really bitter. We don't want, all medicine is bitter. But sugar-coated, for example, children, they will be able to gulp the medicine only when it is a little sweet at the beginning. So sugar-coated pill is the conversational skill. Rama said, Nacha sankuchita panthaha yena vali hatogataha. See, what parga that Vali has gone, being killed by me, is not narrow. Still one more person can go in the same pathway. So it is not narrow, nor doors closed. It is open. Nacha sankuchitaha means not narrow. Yena vali hatogataha samaye tishtaka sugriva. Samaye tishta. Samaya is the promise. Tishta is execute. So you must execute the promise that you have made when we became friends, that you will help me to find out my wife Sita. And so samaye tishtaka sugriva and ma vali patham anvagaha. Don't track the path that Vali has gone. That means if you don't help me take up my work, I will kill you. So directly telling I will kill you like Lakshmana is not pleasant. But Rama also agreed with the idea of Lakshmana, but with sugar-coated pill. You appreciate it. So that is the style of Valmiki, and that is the dignity and character principle of Rama. That's why we always get the feeling Ramavat Vartitavyam na Ravanavat. You should always behave like Rama, never like Ravana. So like that here also Grame Asmin, and two things we want. What are that? Anaturam Pushtam. Atura means Rogam, diseases. And people in the village must not have any contagious disease like our COVID-19 or cholera. So this COVID-19 is Atura, because wherever you are there, you have the fear of getting attacked, become positive. Therefore, Anatura means we are wearing mask, all that. So we are protecting ourselves. That is Rudra. To wear mask and go is Rudra Anugraha. If you don't, Rudra will be angry. So, people are punishing 100 rupees fine those who do not wear mask in India. I know. So, immediately police will pocket 100 rupees if they find not having mask. But here they say that here in America, they are just putting board mildly, enter wearing mask. So keep 6 feet distance. Therefore, in all clinics also, 2 chairs are kept vacant and you are allowed to sit after 2 chairs. So some such social distance, wearing mask. So Anaturam, Grame, Pushti, Arogyam. And the crops also must be there. And again, Mrudano Rudra Rudrotano Mayaskrudhi Chayadviraya Namasa Vidhemate. Now we have to also feed Rudra. If I do some good work for you, what is the return you are giving to me? Because Prayojanam Anuddisya Namandopi Pravartate. Prayojanam Anuddisya Namandopi Pravartate is what is Kalidasa says in Malavika. See, without Prayojanam, anybody will not act. But what is the Prayojanam? He doesn't count on the magnitude of the Prayojanam, but he must have some kind of. So here also, we are promising that Namasa te vidhemate. We offer you homa, we offer you worship, we offer you sacrifice, we offer you namaskara, we offer you navyadya. Therefore, this namasa, meaning that some kind of chota or mota reward, we just offer to you, that you will be recognized. We don't simply take benefit from you, but we try to give something back, whatever capacity that we could have. That's why in our Taittiriya Upanishad it said, Acharyaya priyam dhanamahrutya prajatantum avyavatsetsi. So you give some kind, show some kind to the Guru, having learned so much from him, and then you go to our family life. So like that here also Namasa te vidhema. And again Chayadviraya, already we have noted that he will be always protecting us by destroying the evil attacks, rebellion people. And moreover, what he has to do, definitely, Krudhi means definite doing. That is Mayaha Krudhi, Santosha. Mayaha means Santosham, Shanti, Arogyam, and Moksham. So the interpretation of Sankaraya, Mayaskaraya, we say that Shankara is to, as long as we are living, he has to be doing Shanti for us. The moment we retire, we go away, he has to give us Moksham. Because he's a Mrutyunjaya and Mamuchiya Amrutatu. The chance of getting Amrutatvam, he should not deprive. Just giving relieved of the bandhanas, like like any fruit from its tiga or from its creeper, you should also give us next place. If you lift your left leg, you should have a place for the right leg. So right leg, when you are walking, you put the body weight on one leg and release another leg, another foot. So one foot released, one foot stable. So that too quickly it happens. Otherwise we fall down. So the walking is an important thing which has made a good scientist to prepare bicycle for us. So no two pedals are the same. One pedal down, one pedal up. Down pedal is that you are bearing the weight of your body on that. And up pedal is that you can put that other step on the ground again, make the other one to come up. So this kind of action is being learned looking at our own body, walking styles. So it is called Mayaskrudhi. And Uta, Mrudano, Rudraota. Here, Rudra plus Uta, Rudrota. Uta is and. So whatever you have been doing, and also is important. Even this also you should do it. And what is that? Mruda, first of all, your kindness should begin with your compassion and sympathy upon us. Because we are devoted to you, we are remembering your name, we are doing worship to you. So you should give up your Ghora Rupam, you become Aghora Rupam, and Shanta Rupam, and Karuna Rupam. So Karunardrata you should pick up. Basically, unless you are Karunavan, you cannot start in being helpful to us. So Kopam Taggite Kani Yavaru help cheru. Kopam lore unte Yavaru kuda maatlaadu. Yavaru bone cheru. Aa Kopamlo unnavan chuste mana bhayam vastundi. Hey, ಕೋಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. కొంచెం మంచినీళ్ళు ఇవ్వండి అంటారు. సో మంచినీళ్ళు ఇవ్వండి అనేది కైండ్నెస్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ సైడ్. కోపంలో ఉండని అని చెప్పి వాళ్ళు ఆలోచించేది రాక్షసత్వం. దట్ ఇన్ అమెరికా యూ ఫైండ్ ఇన్ ది బోర్డ్ డ్రింక్ డ్రైవ్ గో టు జైల్. దట్ ఈస్ ది సైన్ బోర్డ్ ఇన్ ది main national highways. Who cares? You go to jail. Drink, drive, go. But in India, no, we are all very kind. Don't drink, don't drive. So don't drink, don't drive is advice. But drink, drive, go to jail is also advice, but otherwise. So like that here, it is that is Asmin Ayaskrudhi. And so all that is that. And finally, and this is very important for Echam Chayos Chamanura Yaje Pita Tadasya Matava Rudra Pranitau. O Rudra, when you have Pranita, then what you should give me? Yat. That yat you should know. Yacham, is it not? Yat plus sham is yacham. That is, what is really good for me or for us, we don't know. When you go to a shop, you want everything to come to your house. Is it good? Possible? No, but you have to have that article from the shop that you love most and that you can afford also. That's what is called sham. That's why yat sham and also manuraya je yaha pita. So pita is the protector. Manuraya je means manuraya. Manu is good thought. Raya is wealth. So those thoughts which will bring you fame and prosperity, those thoughts only have got to be entertained and executed. Because our mind will be thinking plus and negative. Plus thoughts and minus thoughts are there. Positive and negative thoughts. More rebellion thoughts are there. No is more available for us than yes. People do not. That's why to say no also sometimes difficult. So yat sham, yat manuraya je, yat pita, tat asyama. Asyama means obtain. So we have to obtain only that which is good for us, peaceful for us, which is good thought or a noble thought for us, and which will fetch us also wealth and prosperity and food. So Rudra is capable of giving you all that, making our life living upon the earth a peaceful one. That's why all people will say Rudra Parayanam, Rudra Homam, Rudra Japam, Rudra Archana, Rudra Abhisheka. All these things are being taught or advised by all people because Rudra is all in all. And again, you are now coming to specifications. Rudra won't understand what exactly you want. Baba, you say Maya Kudhe and Mruda, okay, and also Chayadvira and Shamsa and Pita and Pranit. All these things are good. But I want you to put your desire in particular. Yen makeup, what do you want? What I should do for you? So, like that, here, now they come to the particular, general and particular, individualized. Mano mahantam utamano arpakam mana utshantam utamana utshatam mano vadhihi pitaram mota mataram priyamanastanuvo rudra riri maririsha. So Uta is used 2 times in this line. Uta is and. We cannot put and many times. So when once you put one in English writing also, and cheppin taravata konni cheppi taravata malla and cheppali. And you should not keep on putting ands and ands and ands. That's a bad language. So if our teacher were to see our ands more, he will just cancel ands and put comma, and finally will put and in our thing. So here in this style, Rudra style, I have written an article also on the style and the rhyme and rhythm and style of Rudram. And if I get that article, I'll send you.
Okay.
Because that rhyme and rhythm and all that and that order in the prose, that is only Vedic prose. Entire Rudram is Vedic prose. So how lyrical it is. Therefore, it is called Prashna, Rudra Prashna, Rudra Adhyaya, and Rudra Kavya. So here 2 times are there. See, first time is said Mahantam, Arbhakam, Utshantam, Utshitam, Pitaram, Mataram. So, and Ma Rudra, Ma Aririshaha. So here there is here Utshantam, Uttama. Again, Utta is there. That is the babies in the womb of the mother. And the babies that are just born, they are also included in the list. Enapa pregnant agidare, avaru olagade irovarnu nodidira. Adukkosa doddavaru ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, a pregnant woman comes home or given something, ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. So, ನೀನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, no, the baby inside also should eat. Therefore, it is said, a woman is given 2 stomachs, one to bear the child, another to supply food for the child. సో ఆడపిల్లలకి 2 ఉంటుంది పొట్టలు. ఎందుకు అంటే ఒక పొట్టలో పాపను పెట్టుకోవడానికి, ఇంకొక పొట్టలో పాపకు ఆహారం ఇవ్వడానికి. Look at a small child about 3 years old told me long back, my son, Nana, girls have got 2 stomachs, one to bear the child and another to give food for the child. I was so surprised at the idea. So like that here also, Buddha, Arbhakam, Utshantam, Uta Utshitam, and again, Pitaram, Mataram, Priyamanaha, Tavarudra, Ririshaha. So we all should become loved by you. Priyamanaha, that is Priyanaha, that is we are all worshipping you, honoring you. So whatever kith and kin that we have, including animals, cattle, all of them should be taken care by you. And I have done sufficient namaskaras for you. No more namaskaras to you. Now I am putting my list. Slowly I am giving my list of desires that you have got to attend to, and you should not cancel any one of them. You should grant any and everything that I have been put in my list menu. Therefore, we ask ma. Look at it. Ma means no. You cannot say cancel any one of my wishes. All wishes have got to be taken into count. Therefore, so many mas are there. You observe ma. So no. Because gods and other people want to capture and harm if any scope is there, Randhran Veshinohi Vidveshanaha. That is Vidveshas, that those people who don't love you, don't like you, they're looking some card, some loophole so that you can be harmed. But here, Rudra should not look for any kind of defect. That's why he has to condone all our doshas, all our papams, and see that we become sinless, sin-free. Hand-free we talk about when you talk about computer. So when you come to this so wireless things, hand-free. So if you are talking now, you don't have anything to operate with those things. So the voice is actually communicated. So like that also here, he wanted wireless communications. So Rudra is having the wireless communication from all of us because he's a past master of the wireless technology that we should know. So from Rudra only. So when we say this kind of thing, ma, then he will about it. So today I stop here. I have to go to Michigan now to attend to one program. So that's why I asked you to prepone your convenience to honor. And thank you all very much. And we will expect, because actually every year we are going to get this kind of Rudra, I mean Guru Puja, so that Gurus must be kept in their moods and situations. So they should not grow angry. Even our Yajnapavitam also, one expiry date every year, 1 year only. If you put your Yajnapavitam Shravana Suddha Purnima, by next Suddha Purnima, you should change. What is the expiry date for our Yajnapavitam? 1 year. Meanwhile, it expires because of some dosham, some asaucham that comes to us. Otherwise, usually 1 year, its validity. We cannot keep Yajnapavitam. So annual. That's why in Aruna Prashna elsewhere, Samvatsaram is unit. Samvatsarova apamayatanam. Samvatsarova apamayatanam. Samvatsarasya Veda. So Samvatsara or year is the maximum unit for our measurement, even in Vedic times. Therefore, this year we have that beautiful Guru Purnima and Guru measurement. Next, we get scope for changing our Yajnapavitam, which will be shock absorber for us. So there are 9 threads to our Yajnapavitam, and each thread has got power inside. Therefore, Yajnapavitam is the shock absorber, which you protect, because when we are doing Gayatri Japa, and all Gayatri Japam power gets into the Yajnapavitam, and that Yajnapavitam is very always touching our skin. Therefore, Tvat Charmamagum Sarudhara Majja Medha Snaya Vosthini Me Sucyantam is Mahanarayana Upanishad says that right from the outer skin, deep down the skin, the bone, the punyam should come up. If at all any papam is there, that should extinguish. So this Yajnapavitam has such a power as to send that power of punyam or that power right from the outer skin up to the bone. Therefore, we cannot keep the Yajnapavitam to the wall or to any hook. No, we are hooked for the Yajnapavitam. So constantly we should be hooked with that. And women will hook after marriage, the Mangalyam, because Mangalyam is like Yajnapavitam for them. In Manusmriti, when women get that kind of eligibility, when they get married, that's why Ashtavarsha Bhavet Kanya, and 8 years girls get married, 8 years boy gets the Upanayanam. So Upanayanam and the marriage time is equalized in our scriptures, that woman and man or boy and girl are both given equal care and attention and importance and authority. That's what we should understand. So when girl marries, and when girl becomes Vipra, then she becomes a mother. And when boy becomes Vipra, when he learns Vedas. Only when he is student of Veda, he becomes a Vipra. When he practices Veda and teaches Veda, he becomes a Srotriya. And Srotriya is Brahmanishta. So Brahmanishta means he is always connected to Brahma. He cannot disconnect himself. So whether you disconnect or connect, Brahma is connected to you constantly. Therefore, Brahmanishtam. Beautiful, is it not? So the entire programming in our Vedic wisdom mansion, that nowhere disconnection is there. So that's why we should be always attending to Veda. Whether you attend or not, Veda will be flowing into us. Okay, with these words, Om Swasti Sahana Vavatu. Please repeat. Manju Garu, all of you.
నమస్కారం బావగారు.
Sahana. Oh, Namaste, Bavagaru.
ఇవాళ ఎన్నిక మొదలెట్టారు.
Sahana Vavatu.
सहनौ भुनक्तो सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Hari
Hari
Om.
Om. Shri Arpanamastu.
अर्पणमस्तु
Sri Veda Purusha Ashirvadostu. Om Satu.
Thank you,
So we
Guruji.
enjoy Guru Ashirvada constantly.
Thank you, Guruji. Yes, sir. God bless.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಗುರುಜಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ
Agli sir.
I thought you will come to India.
No. You can't come. Aeroplanes are a problem. Even though they book ticket, but they cancel and postpone. And so my friend told me Air India is